Hi, it's Tropical Nerd, it's Riley, and we're making a Halloween drink today.
We're using this delicious Disney cookbook that just came out for the 50th anniversary. I got it at a DVC event where we got to meet the authors, and I signed it and everything, and we picked a drink out to make for Halloween. This cookbook, the authors of it are Pam Brandon. She's like more like the cookbook side of things, and Marcy Carricker Smothers, and she's a Disney historian.
This is what we're making today.
It's called the Poisonless Dart. It's a non-alcoholic drink that they serve at Jock Lindsey's Hangar bar at Disney Springs. I've actually had it before. I've had it there before, and I had it at the DVC event. They gave it to us at the special fireworks viewing for Epcot Forever. Mm-hmm. So first off, you need 1 ounce of simple syrup. I found that in like the soda aisle at Target. It's pretty easy to find. Just dump it in. You're just supposed to dump these first few ingredients into a mixing glass and then shake it, and then we do the rest.
Mixing glass?
Well, we're gonna call that a mixing glass because we don't have like actual bartendery type stuff. So next we have 1 ounce of lime juice. And at first I was just gonna use regular lime juice, but then I found next to the simple syrup, this Rose's sweetened lime juice, and it makes this taste amazing. I mean, it's probably just because more sugar, right? But it's really good. It's okay, so put that in.
Great.
1 ounce of that, boop. And then you need 6 mint leaves. I was gonna use mint leaves from we have a mint plant in our backyard, but it's chocolate mint, and chocolate mint and lime. That's
Better
probably
on
no.
pizza.
Chocolate mint is good in pizza?
I thought that's what we use.
Use basil.
Oh.
Oh boy. Anyway, so you put the 6 mint leaves in the boop. Okay. And then you need 2 lime wedges. Do not squeeze, it says. Just put them in.
Drop them?
Yeah. Oh my God. Then you put, what's going on?
Oh, sorry.
Then you put ice in there. Okay, and then put the top on. Okay, perfect. Just give it a shake. Yeah, woo! Okay, wow, well, seems like it's good, right? There. Okay, then take the top off of that, pour it into the glass. Just pour the drink in there.
Oh.
All of it. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna just reach in and get the mint leaves. This is why we aren't bartenders. Okay, and then we just put soda water on over the top until the cup is filled up.
Okay. And they look good.
There you go. Yeah.
Let's get the cap back on.
Okay, and then show us the drink. Ooh.
The limes are straight out of our lime tree in our backyard.
Delicious. Okay, are you gonna try it?
Yep.
Okay, Poisonless Dart. That was not a very big drink. Oh
Ew.
my gosh, these are, don't go by his reaction. These are really good.
It tastes like way too strong for me. But I mean, it's pretty good, I guess. I think a lot of people could like it.
I drank a whole one yesterday and then I wanted more. You're eating. I made one, too. And I'm gonna drink it.
Yeah, I'm not.
Yeah, that's really good. It's like sweet, but a little sour from the lime.
A little sour is funny.
It's not that sour. It's pretty sweet. Minty.
It's more sour than sweet.
So good.
Team
Riley.
Mom. Team Tropical is the coolest sign. Happy Halloween. Like and subscribe. Bye.